Hello, how are you? Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm Philippines.
Philippines, okay. I am from Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
Dang.
I am from Bangladesh. This is my country, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Oh, okay.
He goes to...
What are you
Say
doing?
hi, say hi. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Wait na yung ngiti ko doon ulit.
What time is it?
I'm fine.
What time is it? What time?
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Do you know my country, Bangladesh?
Bangladesh.
Do you know?
Oh no. I
Do
don't know.
Do you live in City Manila? City Manila, City Manila.
Do you know ano? Yes. Philippines.
City Manila, Manila. City
That's
Manila.
right.
Oh,
That's right.
yeah, of course. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. You know the song Gento.
I have taken idea actually. I have taken idea.
Wait lang. Ano? I sing and you dance it. Again?
How do you spend your free times? How do you spend your free times? Free time. How do you spend?
Ganito sasayawin. Sample lang mo dyan. Hello.
Huh?
I see the example of dance and
So, most of the time, I spend.
you follow me. You follow.
Yeah, of course, I have followed you.
Okay,
Followed you. Basically, I am a private teacher. Private teacher. Can you speak English fluently? Can you speak English fluently? Can you speak English?
Yes, of course. Because my country is Philippines. Oh, sayo na. Ayun na. And sasayawan ka niya. Hindi ko po. Sayo mo
Okay.
Gento. Dali. Ikaw na lang, can you give me sample of dance?
What time is it now? What time?
7:28.
Okay.
7:28.
Here in my country, Bangladesh, 5:30 p.m. in the afternoon. 5:30 p.m.
5:30 p.m.
2 hours difference. 2 hours.
Oh, yeah.
2 hours difference.
Daughter? Ay, daughter. You have a daughter?
What is your favorite hobby?
You have a daughter.
What is your favorite hobby?
Do you have a husband? Ilang ano ka na nagbibingko? Biko. Do you have a husband? Ilang buwan na din? Hindi, ngayon pa lang. Pag nakaisang buwan ka.
Are you 2 sisters? Are you 3 sisters? Are you 3 sisters?
Yeah. Pretty.